This is our shoulder overhead press strength training machine. Of course, first thing you want to do is adjust the seat before you get ready to perform this exercise. Pulling the lever out, get it to a desired level. A desired level is you would like the handles kind of by your ears. You also have two ways that you can perform this exercise. You have an angle grip, and then you also have a pronation grip, straight grip. And then of course you can always adjust the weight here by using the pin. So we're going to perform this exercise. So the seat's already adjusted, we're ready to go. You want to make sure your feet are flat on the ground. Your back is all the way back against the back part of the chair. We're going to start with the straight grip, so we've already adjusted our weights. The pronation grip where our thumbs are facing each other, and as we perform this, we're going to target more of the middle, the medial part delt of your shoulder. Also on the way down, you will target the rear delt because it will expand and stretch that muscle. And then we're going to use the angle grip, which will target more of the front posterior delts. Again, same thing, you will up as we come down.